In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Claude Code for vibe coding and build a responsive React project from install to deploy. We'll start by installing Claude Code. On Linux or macOS, open your terminal and run curl fssl https claude.com install.sh bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run iwr https claude.com install.ps1 uscb iex. When the installer finishes, confirm everything worked by typing Claude version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Next, log in and authenticate. Run Claude login. Enter your email when prompted, then paste the verification code you receive. You should see a success message like login successful. After that, you'll have access to Claude Code with full Pro or Opus features. Now let's set up your project folder so everything stays organized. In your terminal, run mkdir vibe coding project, then cd vibe coding project and open it in your editor with code. Keep your UI, animation, and code files together in this folder for a smooth workflow. If you want better multi-file memory, initialize MCP7. Run Claude MCP init context 7 followed by Claude MCP load. MCP7 is great for interactive vibe coding projects because Claude can remember your UI components, animations, and backend logic across files. Start a vibe coding session by typing Claude. In the chat, you can use a prompt like act as a vibe coding AI. Create a responsive React plus Tailwind website with an animated landing page, smooth scrolling, interactive buttons, and a neon blue and purple color theme. Generate step-by-step code files for front-end and back-end. Claude will scaffold a creative UI alongside functional code. To integrate animations and design, ask for Framer Motion Lottie or